Hi guys, this is Kelly and today I'm going to show you my top favorite foundations for summer and for hot climate. And in Singapore, it's always very warm outside. It's scorching hot and it's very humid, so most of us will always sweat like a clown every single day. Favorite foundation for summer and the hot climates, and I have also high-end products and drugstore makeup, so you guys can take a look at the foundation I'm going to share with you guys. Okay, so first off, for something more lightweight and for a sheer coverage, I recommend the Ordinary Serum Foundation. Mine is in the shade 1.2 YG light yellow undertone with gold highlights. This is amazing. I have already used it on several of my YouTube videos. You guys can go check it out. And this is really lightweight and gives off a very nice second skin look, and it's very dewy as well. It's natural looking. So if you're going for something that is more sheer and you want something that's more lightweight and it stays on your skin, does not crack, and you know, some foundation it's really nice but it's very drying on your skin and it cracks here when it's under the hot sun or when you start to sweat. It gives me a very creamy satin finish even if I sweat. The other one that I really like is this MAC Face and Body Foundation. I actually talked about it in my May favorites, and if you guys have not watched it, go ahead and click it. And this is really amazing, although this one it's a little bit more expensive than the ordinary one. Definitely, I think the ordinary one it's less than $10, and this one it's about 40 to 60, I think. I think this is amazing if you want light coverage and you want to try out MAC products. I think this one is a good base if you want to go for a sheer coverage. It's the same as this. This one actually do have a longer staying power than the ordinary. I think this one is very nice on my skin. Okay, so going in with medium coverage, if you want something that can conceal your dark eye circles, can conceal your redness here, and you still want to use it as a foundation, I think the Clinique one it's amazing. This is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer, and also it has a SPF 19 and PA++. So I think this is great for summer because with the sun, UV rays, you want something that helps you prevent harmful sun rays on your skin, and I think this is amazing because it actually has a very big doe-foot applicator. So you can easily just apply it like that. And the best thing is that you don't have to bring extra concealer because this one acts as a concealer as well. I really like this. This is like mid-range product. You can get it at Sephora. It's not as expensive as other high-end products. Definitely has more coverage, and the lasting power is okay. I mean, it does not last 24/7. This one says that it's allergy tested, which is great for my skin because I have very sensitive skin and it's formulated with like 0 fragrance. Amazing. So this is formulated for Asian skin as well. You see the yellow undertone here. I think this is really great if you have similar skin tone as me. Good product. Okay, so if you have a tighter budget and you want something more mid-range coverage and you don't want to buy the Clinique one from Sephora, you definitely can get the L'Oreal Fresh Wear Infallible Foundation. This also has an SPF of 25 and PA+++. This one is great, very long lasting, 24 hours fresh wear, awesome. And I think this, right, I don't even need to set powder because this one, I don't know why it sets itself, and it's very light on my skin, but it definitely has coverage. Trust me, you can get this at Guardian or any other drugstore. I bought mine at Guardian and it was having a 40% off. Amazing, very long lasting. Definitely can wear it to like pool parties if you want more coverage, but for me, whenever I go for like pool parties, I usually do not wear any foundation. I'll just go in with concealer. But if you have redness, if you have some stuff to conceal, definitely this is to go. So mine is in the shade 120 Vanilla. You guys can go take a look. Then we're going in with the Full Glam Foundation, and this foundation is full on coverage, like 100%. You can cover every single thing with one layer. Okay, so these foundations for me are both very long lasting, wears like 24 hours to like 48 hours. Definitely very good, highly recommend, and it's been my favorite for probably a year now. I think I actually mentioned about this in my 2018 favorite makeup. And this is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This one to me, right, it have a fresh dewy finish, but it actually is very full coverage. And I don't know why I really like this, because it is very comfortable on my skin even though it gives me a full glam like coverage. This is amazing. Mine is in the shade Center Free, and as you guys can see, I bought it in a darker color. During the summer last year, I bought this and my skin tone was a little bit darker, and now when it's summer again, I'm bringing this out. This baby is amazing. You guys can go check it out. But this one is actually pretty pricey. It's about like $79 Singaporean dollars. If you don't want to spend this amount of money, you guys can go check out Maybelline. Maybelline has very good base. I love their mascaras, I love their eyeliners, and recently they released this 24-hour Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. And I actually talked about this in my Maybelline Full Face. I'm not sure if I've posted it. Anyway, this is a full coverage foundation, and it's shine free, very breathable. This one, it's very oil controlling. It does not give me a very dewy finish as compared to this, but this one is slightly more matte, and if you have very oily skin, I think this is amazing because it kind of mattifies your face, and it also is shine free, and it helps you control your sebum and oil. So amazing product if you want something that is comparable to the NARS Radiant Longwear. This is the drugstore version. So the common thing about all this foundation that I'm sharing with you guys is that it does not look cakey on your face. The worst thing that could happen to me is that my face look cakey, look very dry and crackling, you know, foundation on my face. I don't like that. And all this foundation that I'm introducing to you guys are amazing. They do not cake on my face, long wearing, long lasting power, and all have decent coverage. Honestly, if I'm going for a lightweight foundation, I definitely try this too. Drugstore version is the Ordinary, and the high-end version is the MAC. And then for a mid-range, this Longwear foundation by L'Oreal, and then a Clinique Beyond Perfection foundation. If you want to have a full-on Longwear foundation that has 100% coverage, this too, really great. So I actually gave you guys an alternative of high-end and drugstore foundation, so you guys can actually go check it out. And yeah, I guess this is the end of my videos, and if you guys like this kind of video, please like and subscribe, and also join the family, and also follow me on my Instagram, because if I'm not doing YouTube videos, I'm always on my Instagram. You can follow me at KELKELTAN. I always do stories, reviews of makeup related stuff on my Instagram, so go check it out. And if you guys have any video suggestions and ideas you guys want me to recreate, or you guys want me to do it on my YouTube channel, please comment down below. I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!